Hello, Ajay Guru viewers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Meena, and today we are diving deep into the world of Jeera, or cumin seed, to bring you the latest updates and an advanced analysis of what's driving this crucial commodity. As we look at the market, Jeera futures have seen a modest recovery recently, largely driven by short covering as the June contract approaches its delivery date. However, the underlying sentiment in the spot markets remains quite subdued. We're seeing tepid demand, and recent rainfall has caused some disruptions. Let's break down the spot market situation. In Undjha, Gujarat, which is a major trading hub for Jeera, spot prices for both export and NCDEX quality remained unchanged, holding steady between 3,250 rupees and 3,450 rupees and 3,450 rupees to 3,650 rupees per 20 kilograms respectively. However, we did see a slight softening in premium grades like Europe 1% and Singapore, which dropped by 25 rupees. This suggests some resistance at those higher price levels. Mandi trade rates in Undjha, on the other hand, saw a significant decline of 260 rupees, settling at 4,100 rupees, despite steady arrivals of around 10,000 bags. Now, the weather has played a significant role. Across Saurashtra, South and Central Gujarat, consistent rainfall since Monday evening has disrupted market activity. This has limited both the arrival of produce and participation from buyers. Interestingly, Undjha itself remained relatively dry, allowing trading to continue without major logistical issues. Looking at other key markets, Rajkot reported a 50 rupees decline in both its Mandi trade and Kirana varieties. Gondal Mandi trade also slipped down 120 rupees to 3,780 rupees. Overall, Mandi arrivals across these regions fell to 12,000 bags from 17,700 in the previous session. This drop is largely attributed to rain-affected transportation and difficult field conditions, making it harder for produce to reach the markets. Shifting our focus to the NCDEX, the June Jeera contract settled 70 rupees higher at 19,105 rupees per quintal, and the July contract saw a 60 rupees rise to 19,300 rupees. These gains, as mentioned, are primarily due to short covering as the June contract nears its expiry. We've also observed a decrease in open interest for the June contract by 429 lots, while the July contract saw an increase of 396 lots. This indicates active rollover of positions but limited fresh participation in the market. So what's the outlook? Traders are noting a seasonal slowdown in domestic spice demand, and crucially, export inquiries continue to lag. Furthermore, the anticipation of a favorable monsoon season is raising expectations of increased Jeera sowing. In conclusion, while we're seeing some limited technical support in the futures segment, the broader picture is dominated by weak fundamentals. That's our comprehensive update on the Jeera market for today. What are your thoughts on these trends? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow traders, and subscribe to Ajay Guru for more in-depth commodity analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।